In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remix a song with Producer AI step by step. To get started, open Producer AI in your web browser or in the app and sign into your account. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to get familiar with the main workspace. This makes the rest of the process much easier, especially if it's your first time using the tool. Next, click New Project or Create to begin a fresh remix project. Starting with a new project helps keep everything organized, and it gives you a clean workspace where you can focus only on the song you want to transform. After that, upload the song or audio file you want to remix. If the platform includes a built-in music library, you can also choose a track from there instead. Make sure you're selecting the correct file because this will be the foundation for everything the AI creates. If your audio is clear and high quality, you'll usually get better remix results. Once your track is loaded, choose the Remix or AI Remix feature. This is the part of the platform that tells Producer AI you want to rework the original song rather than start from scratch. Depending on the version you're using, the wording may vary slightly, but the remix option should be easy to spot. Now it's time to shape the style of your remix. Select a remix style, genre, or mood that fits the direction you want to go in. For example, you might choose EDM for a more energetic sound, hip-hop for stronger rhythm, lo-fi for a relaxed vibe, pop for something polished, or house for a dance-focused remix. This choice has a big impact on the final feel of the track. After choosing the style, adjust any available settings. You may be able to change the tempo, key, vocals, instrument balance, or remix intensity. These controls let you fine-tune how dramatic or subtle the remix becomes. If you're unsure, start with moderate settings and make changes later after listening to the first version. When everything looks good, click Generate or Create Remix and wait while the AI processes your track. This may take a little time, depending on the song length and the complexity of the remix. Once the remix is ready, preview it carefully. Listen for anything you want to improve, then make additional edits if needed. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the final result. Finally, when you're happy with the remix, click Export or Download to save the finished song. And one important tip before you share it, only remix songs that you own or have permission to use, especially if you plan to publish the track.